Welcome to yet another opportunity that is available in the market post the market getting stronger. So as I am talking this, there is the H1B visa issue that's happened, and the world was expecting market to tank, but we didn't do. We were just slightly down. So that shows the resilience that market has, and also the potential that the market can go up. Last week we had buying opportunities in technology and manufacturing sector. Something I want to tell you, last week we got the technology buying opportunity, and post that we had this H1B visa issue. This actually became an advantage because for technology we had planned a 6 weekly movement of funds, staggered movement of funds. So all this correction, downside move in the price will help us to buy the sector at lower levels, and this itself will become an advantage when the market goes up. Most of these stocks in the tech sector have bottomed out or almost at the bottom. From here, the downside is very less. Upside is probably twice what the downside could be. We can't say that it is going to have a overall big uptrend. No, that is not likely unless the results and things like that improve, which will take some time. The present buying opportunity that came, that is last week what we got in technology, it has a potential for some upside. So it will be good to buy now, and when the weakness comes, to get out. So that can give us an opportunity to make some faster returns, as these sectors generally give in a short period big returns. So that was for last week, manufacturing and technology. This week, some more developments have happened. The PSU banks have started going fairly well. A lot of PSU banks have started going up. While in the PSU banks, something is happening. In the last 2 years, PSU bank as a sector, as a group, have done extremely well. That is not because they have made big profits. They wrote off most of their bad loans, and out of those bad loans, many of them are getting recovered now. That is giving a strength to the balance sheet, and it is pushing the profits. So long as these profits are there, and also with the expansion that is likely in the country, most of the corporates are likely to do expansion in their business. There, the expectation is companies will come to borrow from the banks. The corporate loans mostly comes from the PSU banks. That can trigger an upside. So PSU banks already had a run. Next run is happening, which can, if it gets stronger, it can continue for a longer period. Otherwise, it can get shallow and come down. So a small opportunity in PSU banks. On the other side, small cap as a segment, the narrative in the market for good long 1.5 years time is mid and small caps are highly valued. It's very high risky. While that said, all the gains, big gains are coming only in the mid and small cap space. The reason is many companies in the small and mid cap space are having good profit potential, and also probability of having more business growth. That is because of the government push also. So this is triggered small cap buying opportunity this week. If you all want to invest into small cap, please write to us, because these are all new investments. Wherever we have kept money for in debt that can be moved to small cap, we will write a mail to all those clients. You will get a mail requesting, if you want to participate, you can send us a request, and further to that we can initiate a transaction. For those who want to participate new, you can send us a mail that you are interested to participate, and we will send you the details of what are the schemes that are good now, and you can decide based on that how much of our money you want to invest. So there are two opportunities. One is PSU banking sector, where a small upside is likely, and it can come very fast. As it is in the last 2 weeks, many of the banks have done very good, like PNB, Canara Bank, SBI. All those have started going up well, and there is some more space to cover. The next is small caps. Small caps, after a big drop, around 20-25% drop, it is coming up now. If the trend picks up, market gets buoyant, then probably another 10-15% returns is possible in the small cap space too, and this will come in a very short period, maybe in 3-6 months time. So if you want to participate in any of the opportunities that is coming, what we talked about last week, manufacturing technology. Manufacturing technology is slightly old now, and these are opportunities which we have to take at a faster clip. 1 or 2 weeks later, those opportunities go up, because we get the signals once the prices are going up, and as as the strength builds, the price keeps going higher and higher. So after some time, it becomes unworthy to buy those or put money into those sectors. So if you want to invest, send us mail immediately. We will also send back, revert back to you, saying what are the schemes that are good now you can choose, and based on that we can go ahead with the investments. So this week's opportunity is small cap and PSU banks. Thank you.